obviously the number one thing is that he is okay. Boats that, Brad, you've said this 100 times, at least, that you can fix the boat, and we'll cover it, fix the driver.
I stole that line from a guy by the name of Lee Shana at the 1971 Gold Cup when Bill Muncie totaled the boat. The sponsor was gone, and Lee looked at him and said, "You're okay, you're okay." And he said, "Yep." He said, "That's fine, we can fix the boat."
Brad, how did I know that you had a story about that city? You've got a story it has for everything.
I got another one for you. That little red boat that went around there and went around pretty fast, driven by J. Michael Kelly. The Graham Trucking U12 was now doing a timing run off the top end of the course.
Yeah, 155.418.
Yes, and he did that, as you told Michael, he had to run around to the inside. So I think they've got to be pretty happy with that. They clearly made a change to the boat. Mike wanted to come out and make a hot run around the race course and see what they've got, and now he's going to do some timing marks.
Oh, and we've got a number of them at the beautiful red, white, and blue American Green Grand Trucking.
And we should probably explain to our fans, Michael McDonald, because believe it or not, we are in Hydrotown, USA here, and there's probably some fans here that are here for the very first time and have never seen this madness we call H1 Unlimited Racing. We're talking about timing marks, and maybe I'll throw a couple comments you can add to it, but the whole idea of an unlimited hydroplane race, it's all done on a clock start. The boats will come out on the race course for their heat of racing at the 5-minute mark. They cannot come out before that time. And they come out and they will just go around the race course slowly. They can cut the race course. It's called the milling period. And the whole idea is to put your boat on the start-finish line in a clean lane. They fight for their lanes. Put your boat on the start-finish line when the clock strikes 0 with a whole bunch of boat speed. Put your boat across that line too early. You're waiting to totally cross it about 6 seconds late. You're going to trail the field.
Yeah, Graham Trucking American Green Court Peabody came out of the Buffalo Brothers turn number 4 onto the front stretch at full power and now is throttling back. And I don't know if he's working on timing marks or maybe we'll see if he heads back to the pits and maybe sense that something didn't feel quite right.
Well, his team member came back. J. Michael Kelly just now returning to the dock. And this is considered a test session. We can run upwards of 3 boats on the water. So as soon as JMK went back to the pit area, they gave a green light to Jimmy King and the Terminator. The piston boat is halfway up the backstretch, and the grid presents Miss Ace Hardware.
All right, so Peabody's